Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of the desktop on the application of Remitly app. You click on settings, here in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will go down to click in these three dots, we click in this window of Remitly app. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end we go to Play Store. We will search about the application of Remitly app. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget